a box of mass 8 mkgs. So mass of the box is m into g. Weight of the box is m into g, m kgs. It is sitting stationary on the smooth plane. Smooth plane means mu is 0. Okay, smooth plane means mu is 0. The plane is inclined at an angle theta to the horizontal. Theta value has been given. So tan of theta is 5 by 12 now. Once again we can draw this triangle theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So if you use Pythagoras relation, you will get 13 over here. So that means sine of theta will be 5 by 13. Cos of theta will be 5 by 12. So this we got it here. The box of mkg is attached to a second box of small mkg. Okay, that hangs over the pulley. Pulley is again smooth. Pulley is smooth means tension on both the sides of pulley will be same. Show that if the system is to remain at rest, small m by capital M is 5 by 13. So downward force is how much? Small m into g is the downward force. Now if you take free body diagram of this, there are only two forces. Downward force is m into g, tension is upward force. So tension will also be equal to this, because action is equal to reaction when there is no friction. Now same tension will act here on this side, and this will be the tension here. Now there are other forces acting on this. There is a normal reaction here. Let's say R. Then in which direction is it moving? Okay, there is no friction, right? There is no friction because it is very smooth. So friction we need not take. We need not worry whether it is moving downwards or upwards. Then we just have to take the y direction and the x direction. Okay, so this is our x axis, this is y axis. Now start solving. Again sigma y. So r is acting in upwards. This angle here will be same as theta. So capital mg cos theta. This is acting in negative y directions. Okay, downwards. And x will not have any component in y direction. So this total should be 0. So r value is equal to capital mg cos theta. Cos theta is how much? Cos theta is 5 by 12. Let's take 5 by 12. So r is equal to mg into 5 by 12. Then let's take sigma x. So take all the x components. So we have t. T is in positive x direction, so positive t, minus capital mg into sine theta. R will not have any x component because it is in y direction. So t will be equal to mg sine theta. Okay. Alright, so what is sine theta? Sine theta, if you substitute 5 by 13 now.
Yes.
So t is 5 by 13. And what is t? T value is m into g now. T value is m into g. So small m into g. So g and g will cancel. So small m by capital M is equal to 5 by 13. So that's what he is asking us to find. Prove. Okay.
Yes.
So just put it here and write hence proved. Any doubts here?
Yes.
Okay.